Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to edit videos in iMovie. So basically this is tutorial iMovie tutorial for beginners. So what you have to do if you want to edit a video, so I am going to show you all the tips and tricks which you can use while editing your videos. Okay, so first I'm going to open iMovie. Okay, so now when you open you will see two options here, create new and my movie. Okay, now when you click on this plus icon here you will see movie, combine videos, photos, music and make your own movie. And now second one is trailer, follow a template to create a Hollywood style trailer. So first we cover this one, movie, and then second we will cover this trailer. Okay, so first here you have to just click on this movie, and here you will see three sections. Okay, so this is import media, and here you will see all your videos will show here. This is the basically the display of your editing videos. Okay, you can see how your editing looks like. Okay, here and here you will see this is the keyframe. Okay, you can add your to edit your video, you have to add your video here. Okay, now first you have to click on import, and here you have to just import a video to edit. Okay, from your desktop or any folder wherever you want. So I have uh, I want to this one. Okay, edit this one, and I want to import another video. Okay, now this one also, and third import a video again, three videos which I want to make in one. Okay, so like this. Now here you will see like this. Now you will see when you move your mouse pointer here, you will see like this. Okay, so you can cut it from here also. You can just, I say, just like this you can drag it, and you can cut this from here also. But you have to, if you want to edit it, so what you have to do, just you have to click on it, and here you will see plus icon. Okay, here you will see plus icon. You have to click on the plus icon to drag it to bring that video here. And you can also drag and drop, you can just drag and drop here. Okay, like this. Now when you play here, you can press space bar, so play the video. Okay, like this. And but I'm going to just now first step is to remove unwanted parts. So if I want to remove any unwanted part from the beginning, just here you have to click on that and drag to the right. Okay, so you can just cut the part whichever you don't want in your videos. Okay, you can also split the video. So you have to just take your playhead. This is the playhead which moves when video plays. So this is the playhead. So you have to take the playhead where you want to split the screen. Okay, so just I want to split the screen from here, so just take my playhead here and place my playhead here, and just click on, now right click here. Now here you will see clip, split clip, click on it. You can also split clip by command plus B. Okay, and now if I want to just you can just drag here to cut the video from the end, and drag from here to cut the video from the beginning. Okay, it's like this. And now what you have to do, just if I want to here add any text or anything, you can add text also. You can add transition here. Okay, so like this you can do this. First thing, now first we add an and text here or title here. Okay, so here you will see at the top, here you will see titles option. Just click on this titles, and now scroll down, and here you will see this text many templates which you can use. Okay, so I want to use a template, this one. Okay, so you have to drag here, drag and drop here. Okay, like this. Now if you want to edit it, you just double click here, you can edit it. Hello. Okay, like this. You can change the color from here. Here you are at the top, here will see change font from here. Okay, and also change the size of the font here. You can also make it bold. You want to, if you want to make it bold, you can make it bold. You can change the text color here from here. Okay, and after that just click on OK. Then you will also you will get many options, many text options, template which you can use in your videos. Okay, now second is you can also add audio and video here. Okay, if you want to add any audio or video, you can choose here. You will see that many pre-uploaded uh, audios are here. Okay, as here you will see bubbles option. Okay, here you will see drone dark suspense, goal fit, sci-fi sweep, pinball machine, title frame switch it, whale sound. Many options you will get. As I want to add this bubble one, okay, just click on it and you can drag it here. Okay, just drag it here. Okay, now when I play it, okay, and you can also split, just place your playhead where you want to split, and now here you will see right click and split clip. Okay, so you can use like this, and you can also upload your own audio. Just click on this import audio and video and you can choose it from there and you can add it. Okay, so now audio and video, and now here you will titles. Now you can use backgrounds. Okay, you can use all these backgrounds are here, you can use it. And transition, here you will see transition means, okay, now I'm going to show you one example. Okay, so if I want this transition over here, okay, over here, this when you click when I play this, okay, this is very simple. So from this video, this jump to this video very simply. But if you want any transition, just I want this one, okay, this transition, so you have to drag here. Okay, just drag here. Now I will show you how this opens. Okay, like this. But you can choose this one. I'm going to choose this one. This is very effective. Okay, let's choose another one. Okay, like this. You can add transition, and here you can also add other transition whichever you want. I'm going to add this one. Okay, here, let's see. Okay, so like this you can use all these things. You can also set the timer for this transition. This is 1 second transition, so you can use all these things. Now what you have to do now, further, if you want to use any green screen here, so how to use green screen here, so I'm going to show you how to use green screen here. So what you have to do, just I'm going to import an green screen here. Okay, this is the green screen. Okay, now click on import. Now here you will see this is the green screen. Okay, this is the green screen. Okay, so now if you want to add this green screen here, so what you have to do is just click on the green screen, and here you will see options. Okay, this is the option. Okay, here you will see this option, just click on it, and here you will see cut away option. So you can just click on cut away, and here you will see green and blue screen. Just click on green and blue screen. Okay, now again play it. So like this you can use a green screen also in this. Okay, if you want to reduce background noise, okay, if you want to reduce background noise on your video, so what you have to do, just click on it, and here you will see this section. Okay, so here in this section, here you will see reduce noise. You can just make it to 100% and noise will be reduced. And here you will see many options: crop option, crop to fill, can burn, all these options you will get. Okay, you can just crop it from here. Okay, just click on reset. Okay, like this you can crop. You will also see you can just make this video darker, whiter, whatever you want. Here you will see black and white, make it black and white, and also colorful. Okay, here you will see you can use this night effect, or you can use this yellow effect here, and you can use this. If the video is shaky, just click on it, and analyzing the dominant motion. Okay, now you can just 100%. Okay, stabilize the shaky videos. You will see that your video will be stabilized. And here you fix rolling shutter. Like this you can just click on it, and if there is any issue with videos or shaking videos, all things will be automatically fixed. Okay, now here you can just increase the voice to 400%. Increase the voice to 400%. Okay, now here you will see you can just slow the speed of the video. Okay, so like this you will see you can slow the speed of the video from here to 10% to 20%, 25%, like this. Okay, you can also reverse from here. Okay, you can reverse the video here. You can reverse the video. You can preserve the pitch. Okay, the preserve the pitch means your voice will be maintained, but the video will be slower or faster. Okay, now here you will see clip filter. You can use many filters are there. You can use any filter, whichever you filter you want here. Okay, like this you can use any filter from here. So I'm going to use one of them, whichever filter you want. So I'm going to use this one. Okay, so like this filter makes it a cartoon videos. So like this you can edit videos here in iMovie app. So if you like this video, please like my video, and also subscribe my channel for more videos on iMovie. So if you like this video, please like